All right. We just received our loot of 8 12-volt, 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. And we're going to do a quick unboxing. And also, when they send these, they're usually not charged to the top. And we have to balance and charge them before we hook them into the solar system. So that's what we're doing today. All right, just a real quick mid-session documentary. So I've got a charging. Been charging for about 2 hours now, and to bring the state of charge up a little bit for all these cells. Now I'm not going to be too concerned about its final power content. I just want to make sure they're all balanced before I link them in series and plug them into the inverter, at which point they're going to start taking care of the charging process. On the second set here, that's going to go in the second inverter. I don't have another charger, so I'm using one of these chargers. These are for cars, but there is an option on here for for gel batteries, and for motorcycles. So the motorcycles battery tops off at 12.9 volts, and see on here amperage is around 3 amps. So it's rather tame and controlled, and that's why I'm doing this. I'm only doing this while I'm here. I'm monitoring it, and if I leave the house, I'm gonna unplug it. So, all right, real quick.